Today's session we discuss structure of carboxylic acid and its acidity. So structure of carboxylic acid, it is a general structure of carboxylic acid or C double bond O OH. Next I show the resonance hybrid of carboxylic acid. Structure 1 and 2 are resonance hybrid of carboxylic acid. In carboxylic acid, single bond length and double bond length will be vary. So structure 1 and 2 are non-equivalent, which is proved by bond length studies. Structure of carboxylate ion, structure 3 and 4 are resonance structure of carboxylate ion. Both are equivalent structure, which is proved by bond length studies. In carboxylate ion, the negative charge is delocalized. So due to this delocalization, the carbon oxygen bond becomes 1.5 bond, which is confirmed by this structure. In this structure, both carbon oxygen bond length are same, that is 1.27 angstrom unit. Acidity of carboxylic acid. What is acidity means? Which one is easily donate H plus ion? That is called as acidity. Here I show the ionization of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid ionized to give carboxylate anion and H plus ion. Both the acid and the anions are resonance hybrids, but the resonance energy of carboxylate anion is greater than that of carboxylic acid group. So, carboxylate ion is more resonance stabilized than carboxylic acid. Due to this resonance stabilization of carboxylate anion makes the acidity of carboxylic acid. So this is the resonance structure. So RCOOH, that is a general structure of acid which is less stable, which is ionized to give carboxylate anion, which is more stable due to resonance stabilization. Effect of substituent on acidity of carboxylic acid. The acidity of carboxylic acid depends on various factors. Let's see one by one. First one is acidity of carboxylic acid is due to resonance stabilization of carboxylate anion. Next, it depends upon different substituent which also affect the stability of carboxylate anion. Third one is any substituent stabilize the carboxylate ion, the acidity will be increased. Which one makes the carboxylate anion less stable should decrease the acidity. There are two types of substituents there: electron releasing or repelling substituent, electron withdrawing substituent. Electron releasing or repelling substituent, that is plus inductive effect. It is simply denoted as plus I effect. Here also discussed relative strength of carboxylic acid. What are the groups acting as electron releasing? Alkyl group, hydroxyl group, methoxy group. These groups are act as electron releasing, which it donates the electrons. So for example, the higher homologue of formic acid, that is acetic acid. Acetic acid contain one electron releasing alkyl group which destabilizes the carboxylate ion. and decrease the acidity. So you compare the acidity of formic acid, acetic acid, propanolic acid. In formic acid there is no alkyl group, so there is no inductive effect in formic acid. But in acetic acid one methyl group is there which donates the electron to carboxylic acid carbon atom. Then propanolic acid, it contains one CH2 and one methyl group. So inductive effect is more in propanolic acid, then acetic acid, then formic acid. So formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid and propanolic acid. So increasing order of acidity is formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid, which is more than propanolic acid, which is more acidic than butanoic acid. Effect of electron withdrawing substituent, it is simply called as minus I effect. So some halogens, fluorine, chlorine and nitro group are act as electron withdrawing substituent. So these halogens are electron withdrawing nature. So due to its minus I inductive effect, it disperses the negative charge which stabilizes the carboxylate anion and thus increase the acidity. Therefore, chloroacetic acid is more acidic than acetic acid, because in chloroacetic acid one chlorine atom is there which has minus I effect. It withdraws the electron from carboxylic carbon atom, so it easily donates the H plus ion which is more acidic. But in acetic acid plus I effect operate here, so which is less acidic than chloroacetic acid. The effect of halogen substituent on the acidity depends on nature of halogen atom, number of halogen atom and position of halogen atom. Let's see one by one. Nature of the halogen atom. For example, fluoroacetic acid and chloroacetic acid. Fluoroacetic acid is more acidic than chloroacetic acid, which is due to minus I effect of fluorine atom. Because fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine, so the withdrawal effect is more and more in fluoroacetic acid, less in chloroacetic acid. So fluoroacetic acid is more acidic than chloroacetic acid. Number of halogen atom. So the acidity depends on number of halogen present in the acid. So di and trichloroacetic acid contain more electron withdrawing chlorine atom than monochloroacetic acid. Here I show the structure of chloroacetic acid. You see, trichloroacetic acid is more acidic than chloroacetic, because in trichloroacetic acid 3 chlorine atom is there, so minus I effect is more and more operate in trichloroacetic acid. So the H plus ion is easily removed in trichloroacetic acid, then dichloro, then monochloro. So trichloroacetic acid is more acidic than other two acids. Position of halogen atom. So inductive effect decreases while increasing the distance. So minus I effect developed by alpha chloro group of butyric acid is more acidic than beta chloro group. So here I show the example: alpha chlorobutyric acid, beta chlorobutyric acid, gamma chlorobutyric acid. In alpha chloro, the chlorine atom present at first carbon atom, which is very nearer to acid group. In second case, that is beta chlorobutyric acid, the chlorine atom is present on third carbon atom, which is far apart from acid group. In third case, chlorine atom present in fourth carbon atom. So while increasing the distance, inductive effect is decreased. So compared to this 3-butyric acid, alpha chlorobutyric acid is more acidic than beta than gamma. Thank you.